Are you considering switching your Medicare supplement plans? For many, this could be necessitated by various factors like changing health needs, alterations in the financial landscape, or simply dissatisfaction with the current coverage. Medicare supplement plans, also known as Medigap, are designed to fill the gaps in your original Medicare coverage, offering peace of mind and financial security. However, it's worth noting that these plans are not one-size-fits-all and may need to be adjusted over time. If you find yourself in such situations, switching your Medicare supplement plan might be the best decision. Scene script. Switching your Medicare supplement plan can be a straightforward process. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. The first step is all about research. There are numerous Medicare supplement plans out there, each with unique benefits and costs. It's important to spend some time understanding these differences. Look for plans that align with your specific health needs and financial capabilities. The next step involves comparison. Once you've shortlisted a few potential plans, compare their benefits and costs. Consider factors like monthly premiums, out-of-pocket expenses, and the extent of coverage each plan offers. This comparison will help you to make an informed decision. Once you've identified the plan you want to switch to, the next step is to contact the new plan provider. Make sure you understand the application process and what it entails. Fill out the necessary paperwork and submit it to the provider for approval. The final step is to cancel your old plan, but here's where you need to tread carefully. Do not cancel your old plan until your new one is confirmed. This is crucial as it helps to avoid any gaps in your coverage. Switching Medicare supplement plans doesn't have to be a daunting task. With careful research, comparison, and a clear understanding of the process, you can easily navigate through it. Remember to always confirm your new plan before canceling your old one to avoid gaps in coverage. While switching plans might seem simple, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. One common misstep is not researching all available options. There's a vast array of Medicare supplement plans, each with different benefits and costs. It's crucial to compare these to find the one that best fits your lifestyle and budget. Another pitfall is not considering future health needs. While you might be in good health now, it's important to anticipate potential future health issues. Lastly, many forget to check if their preferred doctors and hospitals are covered in the new plan. It's essential to ensure your health providers are included to avoid surprise out-of-pocket costs. Avoid these mistakes to ensure you choose the best plan for your needs. In conclusion, switching your Medicare supplement plan can be beneficial but requires careful consideration. Don't forget the key points: understanding your reasons for switching, learning the process, and avoiding common pitfalls. With careful research and consideration, you can successfully switch your Medicare supplement plan to better suit your needs.